Good morning. This is Graham Bibby on the 4th of March 2016, 2016. The number adds up to 9, and that's my power number. And I believe this is going to be a terrific year for people in the Insiders Club. Now, we run the Insiders Club undervalued superior earnings, and we have some great stocks there. We've only gone back into 4 stocks, but I'll show you in a minute. They're at or near new highs. We have the Insiders Club, where we use exchange traded funds to invest in stock markets around the world, and I cover 46 stock markets, so that could be Hong Kong, it could be Russia, it could be the UK, also sectors, it could be semiconductors, banks, etc. So it gives you global access. And then my Insiders Club special situations, which is extreme value, turnaround situations, and sexy stocks. Now I want to start off there with our position, a 10% position in this gold ETF just over 2 weeks ago, which was somewhere around here, around the 48-ish, 49 mark, depending on when your particular broker bought. Now it's 61. We've had this downtrend broken, and I believe gold and silver are in a significant new uptrend. So I don't have a lot of time, so there's a few things I need to go through. I just want to show you here the metals and mining index. That's also broken out of this downtrend. I can quickly show you that. So the last downtrend was here. We were going like this, and then we broke out here, boom, tested back, and buying came in at this level, pushing it even higher. And look, you see we're in this firm uptrend, and even our moving averages here are moving over. So there's so much negativity about mining and resources, yet I know 2 of the world's biggest billionaires are getting in and got in, boots and all. They think this is a buying opportunity of a lifetime. I know I use that expression quite a bit, and that's because I look at global positions around the world. But they said this is the periods where they've made their absolute fortune when you go out 4 or 5 years. So to be in this type of thing, you need to be in the special situations, which is another membership. And for existing members, there's a discount involved because I want you to benefit from this. This is GLD, which is the largest gold exchange traded fund. And look how powerful this uptrend has been. Huge. It broke out similarly. And if we look back to where we came from, we can go back even further than that. We had a big run, but we've had this big correction. So it was around 180 and it went back to 100. So it wasn't quite 50%, but it's quite strong. But now you can see all this downtrend. There was a kind of trying to break out here, but we went to new lows, and now we've broken out to the upside. So I think gold and silver look particularly attractive, and seeing some of these stocks are down 95%, we've got huge upside. If we go back to NUGT, the ETF, which is now 61, and it was down below 50. If we look at a weekly chart, it was somewhere in the region of 20,000, and we bought in at 50 something. So I don't know where we're going, but the upside looks fairly attractive. Now this is interesting here. Copper, double bottom here. Copper's broken out to a new high. Copper is used in a lot of manufacturing, so this signals the doom and gloom everyone's talking about at the moment, according to this, is not as bad as people make out. Because why is this going up? Okay, it went up a bit before going down again, but right now the picture is looking quite good. Even stocks like sexy Tesla may have bottomed and start to go up. It's not in our buy range yet, but it's looking quite interesting. If we look at the Australian index, not as strong as gold and silver, but obviously it's going to be supported a bit. Could be bottoming out where it is. That could have been the climatic sell-off in February. We've gone to a slightly new high recently, so that looks fairly interesting. And Asia, ex-Japan, which has really been beaten up, looks like it's breaking out to the upside. This is since April of last year, when it was 70 and it went down to 45. That's huge, and we're now broken out into an uptrend. The few stocks we've got, Skechers is recently, as we'll see here, crept to a new high. Not setting the world alight, but a new high, and we're taking it step by step because we don't want to keep going in and out. Sprint Airlines, new high, looking great. This is a great formation, this. We've gone down to a new low, climatic sell-off, bounce, tested back, bounced up, couldn't break through, and then we've broken through. And these two moving averages look like they're turning up, so that's fantastic. Facebook we're in. Powerful. At basically nearly a new high. I'm keeping my eye on the United States Oil Fund. Could be bottoming. Not saying it is yet, but it could be bottoming, so that looks quite interesting. And the Nasdaq is showing signs of strength. That looked to me to be a big sell-off here in January, huge, and then boom, another big sell-off. But I think this could be the climatic bottom, and it's trying to break higher. So I'm looking at commodities. This is this Commodities Research Bureau index, and baby, look at this. Look at this. Woo! That was over a 50% retracement. That's huge. That means there's upside of 100% to get back to where we were before. So I think for people that are in our various services, not just one, things are looking exceptional. And those of you who were just in Australia got involved in private placements, we got 3 of the best you'll probably ever see. African Mobile Network just had another small allocation available, but you'd have to be very quick to get into that because they've now got Facebook behind them. Strata have got more and more deals coming online, and once they prove their geothermal application, that stock could really rocket, could be a Facebook type return. And then we have Genesis, which has got this groundbreaking technology to turn existing telephone infrastructure into fiber optic speed without laying fiber optics. So 2016, I'm going to keep telling you this because this is going to be the best year ever for me and my clients. I see opportunities coming forward all over, and also people in my special situations are aware of one property area where we're getting into, or they're getting into land and property below replacement costs. This is Graham Bibby on the 4th of March 2006 saying, come on, if you're not in, you got to be in it to win it. Join me in the Insiders Club. Email paceo@richmondth.com. That's the wonderful Brenda. You'll get that message from you, and let's get you started. If not, just have a phone chat, see where you are. I'm happy to help wherever I can. If you're not sure about your existing portfolio, I would just tell you, as I can only tell you, is about where the trends are, and then it's your decision. So Graham and Bibby saying, have a fantastic weekend. We're at the beginning of March. Let's make this the month that you really reorganize your investments, set up for a powerful 2016. Bye-bye.